power of fasting, a journey through faith and science. In a world inundated with the cacophony of culinary delights and dietary trends, the notion of fasting may seem paradoxical, even archaic. Yet beneath its austere facade lies a profound truth, a truth that transcends the mere consumption of sustenance and delves into the depths of spirituality and physiological well-being. Join me on a journey as we explore the age-old practice of fasting with a particular focus on the revered tradition of Muslim fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. Through the lens of both faith and science, we shall uncover the myriad ways in which fasting emerges, not just as a ritualistic abstention from food, but as a transformative journey of self-discovery and holistic nourishment. The spiritual symphony of fasting. Fasting, in its essence, is a symphony of the soul, a harmonious blend of introspection, discipline, and devotion. Rooted in the teachings of various religious traditions, fasting serves as a sacred pathway to enlightenment, a means of purifying the spirit and cultivating a deeper connection with the divine. Nowhere is this spiritual journey more pronounced than in the Islamic tradition of fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. In the pre-dawn hours of Ramadan, Muslims around the world awaken to partake in suhoor, the pre-dawn meal that serves as a nourishing precursor to the day's fast. As the first rays of sunlight herald the commencement of the fast, believers embark on a day-long journey of self-restraint, abstaining from food, drink, and worldly desires until the sun sets. It is a time of prayer, reflection, and communal solidarity, a time when the bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood are strengthened through shared sacrifice and mutual support. Yet beyond its spiritual significance, Ramadan fasting embodies a profound ethos of empathy and compassion. By experiencing firsthand the pangs of hunger and thirst, believers develop a heightened awareness of the plight of the less fortunate, fostering a spirit of generosity and social responsibility. Indeed, Ramadan serves not only as a personal journey of spiritual growth, but also as a collective endeavor to uplift and empower the marginalized and disenfranchised members of society. The science of fasting, unraveling the mysteries of the body. While the spiritual benefits of fasting are well documented, modern science has begun to unveil the myriad ways in which fasting exerts a transformative influence on the physical body. From enhancing metabolic function to promoting cellular rejuvenation, fasting triggers a cascade of physiological responses that confer a multitude of health benefits. One of the most remarkable effects of fasting is its impact on metabolic health. By temporarily restricting caloric intake, fasting prompts the body to switch from glucose to fat metabolism, leading to improvements in insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. This metabolic shift not only aids in weight management but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Moreover, fasting has been shown to promote autophagy, a cellular recycling process that clears out damaged organelles and proteins, thereby bolstering cellular health and longevity. This process of cellular rejuvenation is believed to play a key role in mitigating the effects of aging and warding off age-related diseases. In addition to its effects on metabolism and cellular health, fasting has been linked to a myriad of other physiological benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved cognitive function, and enhanced immune function. These findings underscore the profound impact of fasting on overall health and well-being, validating its status as a potent tool for optimizing human health. Ramadan fasting, a model of holistic wellness. Against the backdrop of scientific evidence, the Ramadan fast emerges not merely as a religious obligation, but as a paradigm of holistic wellness, a blueprint for nourishing the body, mind, and spirit in perfect harmony. By integrating the principles of self-discipline, moderation, and mindfulness, Ramadan fasting offers a holistic approach to health that transcends the limitations of conventional dietary regimens. At its core, Ramadan fasting embodies the principles of intermittent fasting, a dietary strategy that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. This pattern of intermittent fasting has been shown to confer a multitude of health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolic health, and enhanced cognitive function. By aligning with the natural rhythms of the body, Ramadan fasting optimizes metabolic efficiency and promotes sustainable health outcomes. Moreover, the spiritual dimensions of Ramadan fasting, such as prayer, reflection, and community engagement, further enhance its health-promoting effects. Studies have shown that practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and social support can have profound effects on stress reduction, immune function, and overall well-being. By incorporating these spiritual practices into the fasting experience, Ramadan fosters a holistic approach to health that addresses the needs of the body, mind, and spirit in unison. Unlocking the mysteries of mind-body connection beyond its physical and spiritual dimensions, fasting offers a profound insight into the intricate interplay between the mind and body, a dynamic relationship that shapes our experience of health and well-being. Through the lens of Ramadan fasting, we can explore the fascinating mechanisms through which the mind influences the body and vice versa, unraveling the mysteries of the mind-body connection. During the fasting period of Ramadan, believers are not only required to abstain from food and drink, but also to cultivate a state of inner peace and tranquility. This emphasis on mental and emotional well-being reflects the profound understanding within Islamic tradition of the inseparable link between the mind and body. Indeed, studies have shown that practices such as mindfulness, meditation, prayer, and gratitude can have profound effects on mental health, reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, and promoting emotional resilience and well-being. Furthermore, fasting has been shown to enhance neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt in response to new experiences and environmental stimuli. By promoting the production of neurotrophic factors and stimulating synaptic plasticity, fasting may bolster cognitive function, memory, and learning capacity. These findings underscore the potential of fasting not only to optimize physical health, but also to enhance cognitive performance and mental acuity. Moreover, the communal nature of Ramadan fasting fosters a sense of belonging and social cohesion that can have profound effects on mental health and well-being. Studies have shown that social support and connectedness are powerful predictors of health outcomes, buffering against the negative effects of stress and adversity. Through acts of charity, compassion, and solidarity, Ramadan fasting promotes a sense of shared humanity and interconnectedness, nurturing a collective spirit of resilience and hope. In essence, Ramadan fasting serves as a testament to the intricate interplay between the mind and body, a symbiotic relationship that lies at the heart of human experience. By embracing the holistic nature of fasting, we can unlock the transformative potential of the mind-body connection and cultivate a state of optimal health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. Embracing the wisdom of fasting as we reflect on the profound insights gleaned from the practice of fasting, we are reminded of the timeless wisdom embedded within this ancient tradition. From the spiritual teachings of Islam to the scientific discoveries of modern medicine, fasting offers a tapestry of knowledge and insight that transcends cultural, religious, and temporal boundaries. In the midst of a global pandemic and mounting health crises, the lessons of fasting have never been more relevant or urgent. As we grapple with the challenges of an increasingly complex and uncertain world, fasting offers a beacon of hope and resilience, a timeless reminder of the inherent capacity of the human spirit to endure, adapt, and thrive in the face of adversity. Moreover, as we strive to cultivate a more sustainable and equitable world, fasting beckons us to embrace the virtues of simplicity, moderation, and compassion. By transcending the dictates of consumerism and materialism, fasting invites us to reconnect with our innate humanity and rediscover the true meaning of abundance, a richness of spirit that transcends the mere accumulation of wealth or possessions. In the final analysis, fasting emerges not merely as a ritualistic abstention from food, but as a profound journey of self-discovery, transformation, and renewal. Through the prism of faith and science, we have witnessed the transformative power of fasting to nourish the body, elevate the spirit, and illuminate the path to optimal health and well-being. As we embark on our own journeys of self-discovery and healing, may we draw inspiration from the profound wisdom of fasting and embrace its transformative potential to enrich our lives in body, mind, and spirit.